pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. Okay, roll call, please.
Corbin,
Here.
Zupan, Walters, Moses, Jones, Walrod.
We think it's funny too, so go ahead.
He's here. Schwartz.
Yes.
Okay. Goldstein is absent. Dee Veronica's absent. Norelli. Bono's
He's
mute.
here. He's just out
Okay.
on his microphone.
Cunningham. Stokes.
Here.
Stepanski.
Here.
Becker.
Here,
Kavanaugh. Mary. Where'd she go?
Mary disappeared.
Hold on, we gotta find her. Yes.
No. Okay.
Roberts. Maglioka, absent, and Ostrander is absent. So do we find Mary or?
Now Mary's not on.
Okay, what's Mary? 65.
Dave Jones, they were laughing because they're filling your drawer with more candy wrappers.
I'm sure they are. John.
I'll tip you off, give you a heads
Well,
up.
well, John, what are we gonna do?
No, and that's not true,
There's
Dave.
nothing.
Pete called or responded to your attendance.
Okay, Mary's on.
Okay.
Okay, we have 1,174 votes present.
Yeah, Wendy's wrappers. Dave, at least you should request recyclables. At least you get a nickel a piece for them.
Well, you know what I think I'm gonna do, John, is get them a bigger candy bar so they don't need so many wrappers.
There you go. Okay, I need a motion to approve the minutes from our previous meeting. Motion by Mrs. Norelli, second by Mr. Cunningham. Is there any discussion? All in favor signify by voting aye.
Aye.
Anybody opposed? Carried. Okay, communications reports to committees.
Okay, we have a communication from the town of Georgetown regarding the possible paving project of Route 90 from Sheds to Georgetown in 2022. And we have Madison County occupancy tax receipts expenditures for quarter July 1/21 through September 30/21. Audit of vouchers payable for today, $6,744,292.01. And that's it.
Okay. We'll go on to the resolution.
Okay, I just wanted to let you know that our resolutions, we're going to pull resolution 4, 5, and 6, which relate to adopting the budget. We're going to move them out of their place and start with them. So we're going to do those first thing. So we can get the budget.
Which they are budget modifications,
Yes,
correct?
they're-
Okay.
well, they're all budget, adopting the budget
Okay.
and related. So we're going to start with resolution number 4, which is adopting the budgets for the county of Madison for fiscal year 2022. Yvonne Norelli, Chairwoman, Finance, Ways and Means.
Mr. Chairman, I move these resolutions for adoption. please.
Resolutions are made, second by Mr. Roberts. Is there any discussion? Okay, we need to do a roll call on these, correct?
No, just,
Yeah.
oops. No, just
Should we do a
the
roll call?
one conduct. No.
Okay. All right, all in favor signify by voting aye.
Aye.
Anybody opposed? Carried.
Okay, next we have resolution number 5, which is appropriation of conduct of county government for fiscal year 2022. Yvonne Norelli, Chairwoman, Finance.
Mr. Chairman, I move for this resolution to be adopted, please.
Resolution's been made, second. Second by Mr. Roberts. Is there any discussion? Okay, roll call, please.
Schwartz,
Yes.
Norelli,
Aye.
Bono,
Yes.
Cunningham, Stokes,
Aye.
Stepanski,
Yes.
Becker,
Aye.
Kavanaugh. Oops,
Mary?
Mary Kavanaugh, Oh, she
Yeah,
said
she said
yes.
aye.
Okay. Roberts.
Aye.
Corbin. Zupan.
Yes.
Walters.
Aye.
Moses.
Yes.
Jones.
Aye.
Walrod.
Aye.
1,174 ayes.
Carried.
And next, we will do resolution number 6, apportionment of county taxes. Yvonne Norelli, Chairwoman, Finance.
Mr. Chairman, I move for this resolution for adoption. please.
Resolution's been made. Do I have a second? Second by Mr. Cunningham. Is there any discussion? All in favor signify by voting aye.
Aye.
Anybody opposed? Carried.
Okay, now we can go to preferred agenda resolutions, and we'll start with government operations. Resolution number 1, authorize attendance at an out-of-state NACO conference. Resolution number 2, authorize attendance at an out-of-state conference for emergency management. And number 3, authorizing out-of-state travel for the purpose of continuing education for the Madison County EMS Coordinator. Mary Kavanaugh, Chairwoman, Government Operations Committee. Oh, she's not.
Your audio is not working, Mary.
No.
Still not working. It must be your mic.
Thumbs.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah,
There you go,
Yes,
Mary.
there we go.
Mr. Chairman, I move these resolutions for adoption.
Okay, thank you. Do I have a second? Second by Mr. Moses. Is there any discussion? Okay, roll call.
Norelli. Bono.
Yes.
Cunningham. Stokes.
Aye.
Stefanski.
Yes.
Becker.
Aye.
Kavanaugh.
Aye.
Roberts.
Aye.
Corbin. Zupan.
Yes.
Walters. Moses.
Yes.
Jones.
Aye.
Walrod.
Aye.
Schwartz.
Yes.
And that's it, 1,174 ayes.
Carried.
Okay, next we have Finance, Ways and Means, and we will start with resolution number 7. Authorizing the modification of the 22 budget allocation of host community benefit. Number 8, levying unpaid central school district taxes. Number 9, levying unpaid village taxes. Number 10, authorizing agreements, abstract companies for 2022. Number 11, authorizing an agreement with Systems East. Number 12, authorizing the modification of the 22 budget for Clockville Water District. And number 13, levying unpaid water, sewer, light, demolition, and maintenance fees for various towns in the city of Oneida. Yvonne Norelli, Chairwoman, Finance.
Mr. Chairman, I move these resolutions for adoption.
Resolution's been made. Do I have a second? Second by Mr. Zupan. Is there any discussion? Roll call, please.
Bono,
Yes.
Cunningham, Stokes,
Aye.
Stefanski,
Yes.
Becker.
Aye.
Kavanaugh.
Aye.
Roberts.
Aye.
Corbin, sorry. Zupan,
Yes.
Walters.
Aye.
Moses.
Yes.
Jones.
Aye.
Walrod.
Aye.
Schwartz.
Yes.
And Norelli.
Aye.
1,174 ayes.
Carried.
Okay, we have next Health and Human Services Committee. Resolution 14, authorizing agreement with Madison Cortland Chapter of New York State ARC. Number 15, authorizing an agreement with Psychiatric Services. Number 16, authorizing an agreement with Tedis and Associates. Number 17, authorizing agreement with George David Annis, MD. Number 18, authorizing agreement with Rusa Consulting. 19, reappointing members to the Community Services Board. 20, authorizing the contract modifications and budget modifications for the 21 budget for Pathways Recovery Center. 21, authorizing budget modification for 21 budget for the Children with Special Healthcare Needs Grant. 22, authorizing agreement authorizing agreement and modifying the 21 budget for COVID-19 vaccine response grant. Number 23, modifying the budget for public health preparedness grant. Number 24, authorizing agreement with Zaneski and Company. 25, authorizing agreement with the Community Action Program and modifying the 22 budget. 26, authorizing agreement with Bridges and modifying the 22 budget. Number 27, authorizing agreement with Young Men's Christian Association and Women's Community Center of Rome and modifying the 22 budget. 28, reappointing members to Madison County Youth Bureau Youth Board. 29, appointing members to the Madison County Youth Bureau Youth Board. Alex Stepanski, Chairman, Health and Human Services.
Mr. Chairman, I move the adoption of these resolutions.
Resolution has been made. Do I have a second?
I'll second it.
Who's seconded by Evan? Is there any discussion? Roll call, please.
Cunningham. Stokes,
Aye.
Stepanski,
Yes.
Becker.
Aye.
Kavanaugh,
Aye.
Roberts,
Aye.
Corbin, Zupan, Walters, Moses,
Yes.
Jones,
Aye.
Walrod,
Aye.
Schwartz,
Yes.
Norelli,
Aye.
Bono,
Yes.
1,174 ayes.
Carried.
Okay, next we have Planning Committee. Number 30, appointing members of Central New York Regional Planning and Development Board. 31, appointing members to the Madison County Agricultural and Farmland Protection Board. 32, authorizing agreement with the annual stream maintenance and resiliency program. 33, authorizing a contract with Madison County Soil and Water Conservation District for the maintenance of drainage network to Westland Creek Watershed District. Number 34, authorize the chairman to enter an agreement with Madison County Soil and Water Conservation District. 35, authorizing a public transit agreement with Bernie Bus and Coordinated Services Memorandum of Understanding with Bernie Bus, Madison County and Heritage Farm. 36, authorizing extension agreement with Environmental Design and Research. 37, authorizing agreement with C&D Advertising. And 38, authorizing the modification of the 21 budget for Madison Transit. Cliff Moses, Chairman, Planning Committee.
Mr. Chairman, I move these resolutions for adoption.
Resolution's been made. Do I have a second? Second by Mr. Roberts. Is there any discussion? Okay, roll call, please.
Stokes,
Aye.
Stepanski,
Yes.
Becker.
Aye.
Kavanaugh,
Aye.
Roberts,
Aye.
Corbin, Zupan, Walters, Moses,
Yes.
Jones,
Aye.
Walrod,
Aye.
Schwartz,
Yes.
Norelli, Bono,
Yes.
Cunningham. 1,174 ayes.
Carried.
Next, we have Criminal Justice Public Safety Committee. Number 39, authorize and amend and renew an agreement with UMR. Number 40, authorize the chairman to modify an agreement with the Cazenovia Central School District for special patrol officers. 41, authorize an agreement with Central New York Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. 42, authorize the chairman to approve a renewal order with Central Square for maintenance of computer-aided dispatch system. 43, authorizing participation in a statewide interoperable communications grant and modifying the 21 budget. 44, authorize the chairman to enter an agreement with Zoll Medical Corp. For software licensing. 45, authorizing a low resource condition policy with EMS dispatch. 46, authorizing the operating policies for the Madison County Emergency Medical Services Paramedic Unit. 47, authorizing Madison County Emergency Medical Service Paramedic Unit to participate with Madison County EMS Mutual Aid Plan. And 48, reappointing members to the Madison County Traffic Safety Board. Pete Walrod, Chairman, Criminal Justice Public Safety.
Mr. Chairman, I move these resolutions for adoption.
Resolutions are made. Do I have a second? Second by Mr. Walters. Is there any discussion? Roll call, please.
Stepanski,
Yes.
Becker.
Aye.
Kavanaugh.
Aye.
Roberts,
Aye.
Corbin. Zupan. Walters,
Aye.
Moses.
Yes.
Jones,
Aye.
Walrod,
Aye.
Schwartz,
Yes.
Norelli,
Aye.
Bono,
Yes.
Cunningham, Stokes.
Aye.
1,174 ayes.
Carried.
Next, we have Solid Waste Recycling Committee, Resolution 49, authorizing a modification of the 21 budget for environmental control landfill. Number 50, authorizing the modification and extension agreement with Egan Excavating and Equipment Company for tanker truck hauling services. And 51, entering a new standard waste disposal agreements for the term 21 through 23. Yvonne Norelli, Vice Chairwoman, Solid Waste.
Mr. Chairman, I move for these resolutions for adoption, please.
Resolutions are made. Do I have a second? Second by Mr. Cunningham. Is there any discussion? Roll call, please.
Becker.
Aye.
Kavanaugh.
Aye.
Roberts,
Aye.
Corbin, Zupan, Walters,
Yes.
Moses.
Yes.
Jones,
Aye.
Walrod,
Aye.
Schwartz,
Yes.
Morelli,
Aye.
Bono,
yes,
Cunningham, Stokes,
Aye.
Stefanski.
Yes.
1,174 ayes.
Carried. Okay, next we have our public hearing for allowing Madison County to opt out of DEC regulations for late season hunting, holiday hunting. I need a motion to open that public hearing, please. Motion by Mrs. Norelli, seconded by Mr. Walrod. Is there any discussion? All in favor signify by voting aye.
Aye.
Is there anybody opposed? Carried. Okay, the public hearing is open. I have two public comments. One from Deborah Hoteling. Is she here today? No? Okay, we'll just put that in the record. And we have a Michael Reader. You want to comment, Mike? Come right up to the microphone. Yes, sir.
Never really done this kind of thing before.
Tip your microphone up just a little bit, Mike, so we can hear you. There you go.
How's that?
Yep. Is it going to stay?
There we go.
Okay.
I would just say that I would see that if New York State is willing to increase time for people to harvest more deer, I can't understand why Madison County wouldn't want to take advantage of that. The only reasons I could see to not pass it, if individual landowners didn't want to let the hunting continue on their land, which they can shut that down anytime they want. Or if it was somebody that was anti-hunting, which I don't think that has any place in politics. Especially right now, with the way the economy is, I really think that if there was more time for people to harvest more deer, they could put in their freezer, short of going to the grocery store and paying that kind of money for it. I'm all for it. I hunt myself. I love it. I don't know as I will even go out and hunt during the holiday time if you pass it, but it would be nice to have that option. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Is there anybody else here to speak for or against? No? Do you folks want to make a comment back there? No? You can. Come on up. Just need your name and address is all.
Jackie Cummings from on Cottons Road, Canastota. To help.
Okay.
I'm a hunter too, and I don't see how, I don't like the idea that Madison County can opt out. It's a big area. I have two different places in Madison County that I can hunt, and I would like that option too. To keep second week during, that holiday season. It hasn't happened yet, so I don't know why you want to vote it down before it even happens.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you. Anybody else? Okay, motion to close the public hearing. Motion by Mr. Zupan, seconded by Mr. Moses. Is there any discussion? All in favor signify by voting aye.
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 Anybody opposed? Carried.
Okay, we go to our resolutions, regular agenda, resolution number 52.
Well, let's just make the one comment that we had that we rented, that's in the record was for not allowing hunting season to go on longer. So just so everybody knows.
Okay. Resolution number 52, fixing time for holding meetings during 2022. Yvonne Norelli, Vice Chairman, Administration Oversight.
Mr. Jones, chairperson, is on. Do you want
Oh,
him to
I'm
do it?
sorry.
It's okay.
Dave
That's all right.
Jones, Chairman,
That's okay.
Administration Oversight.
That's okay, Cindy.
I'm sorry about that. Dave.
Mr. Chairman, I move this resolution for adoption.
Resolution's been made. Do I have a second? Second by Mrs. Norelli. Is there any discussion? All in favor signify by voting aye.
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 Any opposed? Carried.
Resolution 53, fixing the time and the date to organize the board for 2022. Dave Jones, Chairman, Administration Oversight.
Mr. Chairman, I move this resolution for adoption.
Resolution's been made. Do I have a second? Second by Mr. Moses. Is there any discussion? All in favor signify by voting aye.
Yes.
Aye.
Aye.
Anybody opposed? Carried.
Resolution number 54, adopting local law number 4 for the year 2021. Cliff Moses, Chairman, Planning Committee.
Mr. Chairman, I move this resolution for adoption.
Resolution's been made. Do I have a second? Second by Mr. Walrod. Do we have an explanation on why we're doing this? I think it was because of the snowmobile season.
Do you want to address that?
Mr. Chairman, in respect to the people that have spoken in favor of or against us opting out of this, that I think for myself and the other members that I've spoken to, members of this board, supervisors, it's been overwhelmingly in favor of us opting out. I want to make mention that I have not heard from any faction that is anti-hunting or PETA or any of those other organizations that are against hunting. This is in support of the fact that the snowmobile clubs, the economic impact that would have on our businesses of their ability to ride it during this time, and the fact that the season starts, deer season starts on October 1st and is run quite, till December 21st at this point anyways. And to make note again that we've talked about this, we've discussed this from the meetings that I've attended for Region 7, that this was never intended as a tool to manage deer. This was just an opportunity for folks to hunt. So, I think that most of the supervisors here have heard from constituents. We've read emails at other times of the year, and the overwhelming majority would favor us opting out of this at this time.
Jim, Patricia, have you heard anything from anybody over in planning on this particular issue?
I did speak to Hotel this morning that
Yep.
made a comment. And her concern is she's a landowner, hunter, and a snowmobiler. And her land is used for hunting and snowmobiling. And she said it was very confusing to have this out there. It makes it really difficult for the snowmobilers to get trails prepared. Okay, while hunting season's open, as Mr. Woolrod said, October 1st, the snowmobilers have to do some maintenance on trails. And while the season's open, it's really difficult for them to go onto the private land that people are trying to hunt. So that little window that they used to have, December 21st till the start of snow was all they had. This season that central office of Albany stuck in there, not the regional wildlife people. This has nothing to do with wildlife management. It was a Pennsylvania item that a regional director for Fish and Wildlife from Pennsylvania thought it might be a good idea for New York without thinking about the other users, especially here in Madison County, where we have so much public land where people want to cross-country ski, snowshoe, hike, and they're waiting for that Christmas season to go out and do these things. So that's the information that I got from feedback from people, from the public.
Okay. I have to go along with Ms. Hoteling that the law is very confusing, but I'll have to say that there isn't much that doesn't come out of Albany that isn't confusing, period. So, okay, is there any other comments? Okay, all in favor signify by voting aye.
Aye.
Anybody opposed? Carried. We did vote.
Oh, that's what you just did.
Yes, I just did that. Yep.
I thought that was coming out.
No.
Okay, and our last resolution, amending rules of the Madison County Board of Supervisors. Dave Jones, Chairman, Administration Oversight Committee.
Mr. Chairman, I move this resolution for adoption.
Resolution's been made, second by Mrs. Nurelli. This has to be tabled to the next meeting, so I need a motion to table. Okay, motion to table, seconded by Walrod, it's tabled. Okay. Anybody else have any other comments? Okay, we are recessed until the 16th at 2:00, correct?
Yep.
Okay.
Hi, everybody.